What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization, or SEO for short, is the methods, principles, and techniques that are used by people to organically rank their listing on Google's search engine results pages or any other search engine's results pages. We would call these SERPs, search engine results pages. Google was incorporated in 1997 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, and it was actually a play off the word Google, which is a mathematical word that refers to 10 to the 100th power, or 1 with 100 zeros after it. These guys were Stanford University graduate students, and when they met, they decided to create a search engine called Backrub. Backrub lived on the Stanford servers, and they eventually outgrew Stanford. And in 1997, that's when they registered the google.com domain name, and it wasn't until 1998 when they actually incorporated the business. These guys had a pretty novel approach to organically ranking different listings on the search engines. What they wanted to do was make the world's information accessible to everybody. So they came up with a algorithm, and originally part of it was called PageRank. Now, PageRank primarily ranked all of the world's websites with a numerical figure starting from 0 and going all the way up to 10. As you can see in this image here, 0 is at the base of this mountain, 10 is at the very top of the peak. And as you can see, 0 to 7 is actually here at the bottom. So each rung up this ladder from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, etc., is exponentially difficult to get up harder to the next level. At the top, you see google.com. Also up here is YouTube, Facebook, and other very, very popular websites that live up here. So PageRank is a formula that essentially equates to the popularity of a website. This included a number of different factors, but primarily it boiled down to the sum of the links that were pointing back to the various pages on the website. Of course, the algorithm has expanded since then, and now there's over 200 different ranking factors that are involved in Google's search engine algorithm. So as you can see here, a lot of people like to reference this ranking factors from 2014 by Searchmetrics, and you can see now at least in 2014, that there was numerous different factors that were involved, but I actually like to reference this, which is the periodic table of SEO. This was created by Search Engine Land, and this gives you a great overview of what's involved with SEO today. And a lot of what we're going to cover in this course lives here on this infographic. And what you'll see here is on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO basically refers to any type of optimization work that's done on the page, and off-page SEO relates to any type of optimization work that's done away from the page. On-page SEO is also called on-page optimization, whereas off-page SEO is also called off-page optimization.